Welcome to my channel. If you want to learn how to save time, are curious about the health benefits of oats, and are interested in why you should drink chicory coffee, then stay tuned. First variation: oatmeal, muesli mixture, Stop. Can someone explain to me why I shook the empty glass? Oh well, I like to shake it. So let's see. Chia seeds, Stop. Let's take a look at the secret recipe for the oatmeal mixture. Cinnamon, turmeric, ginger, and coriander. Cinnamon, vanilla sugar, cocoa powder, raisins, dry apricots, toasted seeds, chicory coffee, done. Second version: oatmeal, muesli mixture, chia seeds, spice mix, dark chocolate, cinnamon, brown cane sugar, toasted seed, prune, done. Third version: oatmeal, muesli mixture, chia seeds, chicory coffee, spice mix, cinnamon, cocoa powder, raisin, dried fruits, seeds, done. Fourth variation: oatmeal, muesli mixture, raisin, dark chocolate, cinnamon, spice mix, chia seeds, shredded coconut, dried fig, done. Fifth version: oatmeal, muesli mixture, chia seeds, chicory coffee, spice mix, cinnamon, raisin, shredded coconut, unsweetened cacao powder, fig, seed mix. Done. Now let's make some oatmeal. Option 1. Pour the oatmeal mix into a bowl. Add peanut butter and some hot water and stir until thoroughly combined. You can also enrich it with a little plant-based milk. And now it's ready. Option 2. Put the oatmeal mix in a bowl. Sweeten it with dates, if you didn't add sugar to the base mixture. Add peanut butter and hot water and stir. It's ready. You can even take the finished oatmeal to work and add in some fruit. It's worth making it the night before, overnight oats, so in the morning you can just throw it in a bag and start your day. Thank you so much for watching this video, which is not over yet. If you continue, you can learn about the beneficial effects of chicory coffee and oats, and then you can end this video with a short relaxation session. See you next time on the channel, and until then, I wish you all the best. The beneficial effects of chicory coffee. It's an ideal coffee substitute, doesn't stimulate the nervous system. Has a high fiber content. It improves bowel function. Nourishes the intestine flora, prebiotic effect. Strengthens the immune system. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. Improves blood flow. Aids liver detoxification processes. Lowers cholesterol levels. Contains numerous minerals and vitamins. Benefits of regularly consuming oats. Characterized by versatile medicinal properties and has protective effects. It is a complex source of carbohydrate. Optimal glycemic index. It's easily digestible. High fiber content. Greatly supports metabolism. Has a positive effect on cholesterol levels. Supports the heart and circulatory system. It increases mental performance. It's known to lower blood pressure levels. Rich in vitamin B1, increases the production of happiness hormones. Improves mood. Increases endurance, speed, and coordination. Contains anti-inflammatory substances. Has an alkalizing and cancer-preventing effect.